Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start now by checking activation lock. Open iCloud settings on the paired iPhone or check the watch's status in Find My. You need the watch serial and proof of purchase because Apple won't remove activation lock without ownership evidence. Once done, make sure the paired iPhone is on and signed into the Apple ID previously used. That phone lets you erase and unpair safely. If you don't have it, prepare documentation before contacting Apple support. Next, unpair the watch via the Watch app on the paired iPhone. Choose Unpair Apple Watch and confirm. This erases the watch and removes activation lock because it sends a remove request to Apple servers. If you can't access the paired iPhone, sign in at iCloud. Com with the owner's Apple ID and erase the watch there. That also clears activation lock if the owner completes the removal. Keep the serial and transaction proof ready during these steps. Finally, if you cannot remove activation lock yourself, contact Apple support and request activation lock removal. Explain the situation, provide the watch serial, purchase receipt, and a valid ID. Apple will verify ownership and, if approved, remove the lock. Once Apple confirms, you can set up the watch as new. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to provide clear, original proof of purchase. Without it, Apple cannot legally remove activation lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.